Hey everyone. So it's a Monday night, a little later than I normally uh, get started, but Mondays can be kind of rough. So what we're gonna try and do is we're gonna try and have a quick little stream, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. But first we're gonna see if we can get um, the book examples to launch inside of CodeSpaces the same way we had previously gotten it to work with that other thing, Gitpod. Gitpod. Um, oh yeah, okay. I can turn the voice up a little bit. Let's see here. Oh yeah, okay. Um, okay. So it looks like Magic Computer Box is not super cooperating with me today in our adventures to be magical. Um, hmm. Yeah, where does this go? It's the right size. Oh, it is. Okay. Okay, cool. So, let's see if the Yeti showed up. Solid no. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I wonder what's going on with all of this stuff. Okay, so for our input, we could do. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see here. Hmm. Okay, unplug, plug it back in. Is this going to the right device, right? Yeah, looks like it. Hmm. Yes, we can try putting it in there. Hmm. No. Maybe. Maybe that is not a data cable. Maybe that's just power. Let's see. No, it's USB-C. I think we're stuck with unless this one. No. This one I could use. It's the right size. I'm not super sure. Nope. Not that one either. Well, okay. I know I got to pile more cables in the other room. So I will be right back. Okay. So we got another micro cable. You can see if this one parties a little bit better and gives us the audio input that we want. Okay, okay. So that showed up as a device. And now, okay. So adjust it. I don't know if this is any better. But it's the other one that I got. So, yee. Okay. Yeah, I don't see an option to overamp. I guess we could try. What about this? No, we can try this one. Yeah, none of these profiles are exactly kicking it. This one's sort of neat. Okay. So yeah. This is what we got. I think, unfortunately. It's okay. We'll make it work. Okay, let's get back to fun things. Oh yeah, I was playing around with some other stuff. So, let's go ahead, bring this over here. GitHub.com, scaling Python ML, scaling Python ML, new code space. Let's see. Image found, container built, connecting. Okay. So that looks, interesting. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it hasn't actually, and it hasn't forwarded any of the ports. That's interesting. Huh. Who am I? Oh, sorry. Okay. So, yeah, okay, let's go look dev container.json. What do? We point it to scaling Python examples, and I believe we build that from web demo of demo Docker file. So, so interesting. I don't think this is actually using the container that I asked it to. And it's definitely not using the remote user that I asked it to. So dev container.json, right? And it's definitely not forwarding the ports that I asked it to. So it's doing like, oh, 7 problems. Okay, comments are not permitted in JSON. So more or less, that's okay. So I guess no comments. That's weird, but especially because there were comments in the template that we used. But that's okay. We can make that work. So, git stash. Anything new from Boris, maybe? Okay, git stash blocked. Git diff. Okay. CodeSpaces doesn't like comments in the dev container JSON file, despite it being in the examples. That's fine. That's a relatively easy fix. Other one that we can do here is we need more memory. Yeah, execution context array on the head node because it's also installed in the head node. Okay. So we'll go ahead, we'll do a git push, and the next thing that I guess I want to do is, can I delete my code space? Let's see here. Well, there's that button. What's that button do? Nope. What about this button? My code spaces. I would like to delete this.
It's made my eyes water. It poops. Smells so bad.
Oh no. Was it like good otherwise? Okay, good job. Good job.
Oh, what a mistake.
No, it's
Keeping you updated on our side.
it's important. Like, I mean, I wouldn't be a good mom if I didn't know the details about our boy's poops, right? Like, he's a year old. You kind of gotta keep an eye on that with a dog or a human baby.
Sorry for interrupting. But I got your screen with you.
No, you're probably right. I really want to wear the other top.
You can switch.
No, like not this time. I think next time. Also, like I have worked so much. I'm very proud of myself.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so so we learned that the code spaces don't really like it when you've got what's you call it? It's now good enough. Is it okay if I keep doing this? Okay. If I'm too loud, let me know. I can like kick the boy out and close the door so it's less loud. Okay, let's try and launch a new code space. We're gonna do this again, and then I'm hoping this will do the thing. So we have this dev container JSON, and yeah. I'm 90% sure that didn't do what I wanted it to do either. Okay, let's take a look. Build Docker file. Okay. So I guess what we can do here, I thought I could specify the image. It looks like I can't. That's okay, I guess. It takes so long. Oh, here we go. Pre-building code spaces. Okay, yeah, no, private preview. Okay, here we go. Dev container JSON reference. So, image. So it looks like it says that I should be able to do this. Oh. Well, but okay, so it doesn't look like it's using our image. So let's go ahead and we'll specify a Docker file instead. And we'll do that web demo m/demo Docker file. I don't know why it's not listening to that. Okay, actually, I think what I'll do here is fake Docker file from run echo hi. All right, I'm running as root. Yeah, okay. So that's going to be what we do instead. Well, maybe I should give it a bit of better name. Wrapper Docker file. This just wraps the pre-built container because CodeSpaces isn't listening to our image directive. So we'll do that, and I think I'll, okay, let's Control XW, wrapper Docker file. That sounds reasonable. Okay, cool. Try specifying a Docker file. I guess we should probably take the image out because like that's just not try specifying a Docker file. Instead, since CodeSpaces doesn't seem to pick up the image directive. Okay, so then we'll go ahead, we'll do a git push. We're gonna go back here to our code space and we're gonna go to my code spaces. And once again, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna delete this. And what's up next? Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead, new code spaces. Third time's the charm. Connecting. Building container. Container built. Connecting. Okay. Still 90% sure this isn't doing what I want it to do. Yep. Definitely not doing what I want it to do. Okay. Tell you what. We are going to narrow this down for now to just this. Just this demo Docker file, right? This is all we're going to do. And it is called devcontainer.json, right? Like that's literally what it's called. Devcontainer.json. Let's go ahead. Cat. Yeah, okay. Okay. Doesn't seem to be working. Still, let's narrow it down to just Docker file. And that is also, we're gonna double check that I'm not like status. Okay. What are we gonna do? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Go to my code spaces. Delete it again. Take a look. Okay. I really need to replace this machine someday. Okay. I'm gonna do this again. Okay. So now let's see if this works. No, probably not. Probably not, but who knows? Output. Terminal. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. It keeps saying I'm on the default image, but I have this dev container.json, which in theory is supposed to do something. Maybe I'm missing something. Okay. Um, hmm. Well, okay, wait. So this is property type description. And then down here, I'm not using Docker Compose though. General. Okay. No, let me check. Hey, bud, what you got? Yeah, it's just one of the sticks. I feel you. Śniagują. Oh, okay. Dev container.json must begin with the period if it begins in the root directory. Okay, cool. That works. So, that makes more sense. So let's go ahead. We're going to revert. Although that's really weird because it looked like it was processing it when it was giving us those error messages. But okay. You know what? YOLO. Okay. Okay, cool. Wait. Doesn't explain the error messages from before with the comments. So part of me is tempted to go git revert. Okay. I don't git revert -- abort. devcontainer.json.devcontainer.json. Maybe you just had the wrong file name and the error message about comments in JSON was a red herring. Okay, cool. Let's try this. Semi-optimistic. Go to my CodeSpaces. Delete it. Okay. Deleted. Cool. Go here. Code. New code space. Okay. Image found. Building container. Why do you say building container? Because, like, I give you an image. Ooh, it's taking longer. Okay, cool. So it's actually pulling my container now. Because that's solid. That's really good. That's good. Oh, maybe the warning messages was just about like general code or something. I don't know. Okay. Hey, little bud. How's it going? Okay. I'm excited. Moderately excited. Oh. Oof. Also, because whenever this is done, I get to go to sleep. Oh, I gotta wake up early tomorrow, though. That's okay. Oh, yeah. And I should figure out why the Logitech thing doesn't seem to be giving me audio anymore. Because I had to fall back to the Blue Yeti. Honestly, like, I think the Logitech thing actually works out a fair amount better. Let's Blue Yeti quiet on Ubuntu. Okay. Cool. Problems. No problems detected. I like that. Output. Also no output. We got a port being forwarded. Hells yeah. Hells yeah. Okay, we got our terminal. What? Ooh, more info. Let's go take a look. Ooh, okay. Yes. Okay. 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 Okay, that actually sounds like an interesting setting. Oh, and it's running as the right user. Yes. Although it looks like it's not running my like initial command that I was hoping for, right? Okay, let's okay, let's go click on that. Oh, it is. It just doesn't show up. Fascinating. But I also don't know what my password or token is. Okay, so I guess we go back here. We go into terminal. We go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So that tells me that's my token. Ah. Fuck. Okay, sorry. I'm too used to copying in Linux. So apparently Control-Shift-C is bound differently in the built-in thing. So let's go ahead. We're gonna dump that token in there. Yeah. Ooh. Wait, what? Wait. Where are you? Like, it's definitely running. Yes. Okay, and these, okay. Okay. Okay, so that's reasonable. So let's go PNC WhatsApp. So what launched it? So it launched from start notebook.sh. Okay, yeah. No big surprise. So I would say probably what we want to do is we're going to... Are we going to override the command? On auto forward. Okay, so I think what we'll do is we'll set this to true. Let's go back to dev container JSON reference. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That's the workspace folder. Mounts, run args, override command. Okay, here we go. So, yes. Okay. So, I guess what we would do is we would probably want to give this an init action or something like that. Because like it's not yeah, okay. So I think what we'll do here is on create command. Okay. Okay. The default entry point. Yeah. We want to yeah. Launching. Okay, yeah. The container. The scaling Python examples container launches notebook entry point. However, so that the user can see and can also be in the right working directory. So I guess, so what I'm thinking, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Sure. So that's the directory that it's in. So what we could do, there's a working directory command, right? Like workspace folder. Okay, no. Okay, workspace mount. Yay. Overrides. Oh. Yeah. So, okay, we got a few options. So, yeah, okay, we could also, yeah, here we go. Have them run Jupyter list. Okay, so that's what we'll do. So override command. Okay. Yeah. Start dash nope. Is that? Wait, is that running as root? That is running as root. Oh, what do we do inside of that? Hmm. Yes. So, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Hmm. Okay, so it actually supports an entry point of running as root, not having to run because it switches to the user. And that's cool. But yeah. Let's try that, I guess. Oh yeah, and oh, export grep spaces. Okay, I want to copy it. Okay, cool. So let's give that a shot. Okay. Oh, except now this is .dev container.json. Yes, and rm. Okay. Switch how we launch CodeSpaces. Since the entry point command isn't echoed out to the user, like in, cool. Sounds good. So there we go. Um, hmm. Okay. Another thing that while we're here, I'm playing around anyways. Um, port attribute. Okay, port attributes. Oh. Okay, CodeSpaces, port attribute. Huh. Okay. VS Code, port attributes. Okay. So this was closed in here. Okay. On forward notify? I mean, okay, let's try that. Oh, and the other thing that we had come up got it'll probably come up the next time. But I'm like 90% sure that we have Python installed. That's weird. Okay. Yes, I would like to select a Python interpreter. Okay. Is there a way to configure that? Use Python from Python default interpreter path. Yes. Oh, mark is done. Okay, okay. Python VS Code install Python mark as done settings. Because honestly, that confused me. So I'm wondering if I can set that to something. Okay, that gives us our Python path. We can give it the conda path. Yep. Okay. Which conda? So surprising, but that's okay. Don't want to open that in a text editor. Thanks. It looks like copying from this is a little tricky. I guess I have to Control-Shift-C. No, that just launches a new terminal, which is not what I want to do. Huh. Okay, well, that's fine. Let's see here. What other settings? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Looks like, yeah, I don't want to change diagnostics. Reasonable. It's fine. I don't have strong opinions about any. Huh. I guess. Okay. Here we go. So, is there a way to VS Code skip select interpreter flow? VS Code. Well, looks like no for now. So, okay, we'll make that. We'll try. Okay, try notifying when the port is forwarded. Also configure the conda path. See if that will help us skip the Python select interpreter flow. That, a little bit. Maybe I need more coffee. Okay. Probably need more coffee. Although I could also sleep, but I could also not. So that's fine. Let's go ahead and delete it. This is really solid though. Like it's at least kind of working. Right, like we've got the thing. whatever it's called. We've got thing. We've got Jupyter launching. We can go into Jupyter. It's just not in the right directory. And like it's a little awkward because like you have to like go do a Jupyter list afterwards. That being said, I think we might be able to fix this. And that would be kind of cool. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Here. Huh. Huh. Fascinating. Okay. So let's see if this helps. I'm not super sure. I think it might though. I think these settings might be more of a party for the audio. But yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and do view logs. It's extracting the image again. Oh, really solid. Solid. Think. Okay, there we go. Okay. Hell yeah. Okay. Yes. I am using a custom defined container. I was hoping. Yeah, okay, that didn't work. So, yeah, okay. Well, let's set this to false as well. Okay. I was hoping. Okay, Jupyter. Start. Huh. So looks like onCreate command doesn't really do what I'd hoped we do. Which is fine. So I guess, but let me double check on create command. Okay, what is on create command supposed to do? On create command, a string to run whenever the container is created. Maybe I need let the commands execute on attach rather than create. Okay. So yeah, let's try that. And yeah. let's try that first. Maybe I wanted the suit instead. Also set inherit to false, as suggested by the magic tool. Okay. Yoop. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. We'll go ahead and delete this again. It's got 4 cores, which is kind of cool because it means like you can actually run the local examples, assuming that it works. Okay, one more time. For values of one more time, which are most likely several more times, as is tradition. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yeah, interesting. Yeah. Beeping sound. I don't know where beeping sound came from. We have another beeping sound. Hmm. Hmm. Oh no. Oh, my Logitech camera has doing the frozen. So I am no longer moving. Okay. Well, we can do the old-fashioned unplug it and plug it back in approach.
Let's see if that fixes things. Hopefully it fixes things. No, that's still just... So... I don't know. Huh. Okay. So I fixed the audio. I guess whatever, we'll just hide the webcam because it looks like it doesn't particularly want to cooperate with me today.
What we wanted it to do. So I guess. Okay. Well, Huh. Okay. Well, like, it works. Or, let me rephrase it. It did work, kind of. So maybe let's just go back to what we had before. Because that was sort of working. Yeah. Yeah. Who knows? Who knows? Okay. 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 Oh, I fixed the webcam. Cool. There we go. Okay. So let's go ahead. We're gonna once again go to my CodeSpaces. Delete it. Yeah, I'm sure I want to delete the CodeSpace. So that didn't really party out so good. I mean, so I think what we'll do here is we'll switch override command to false. And we'll change workspace mount. Let's go workspace. Wait, what? Workspace folder? Ooh. Okay. Let's go ahead. Workspace folder. Workspace. So let's see here. Target is going to be and what do we do? There is also and post create command. Oh, hey princess. Yo. Okay. I mean, yeah. Let's see. Well, actually, whatever. Let's just mount it there. Because, like, what else? There's some files in there, but I don't think I really care about any of them. Javian. Okay. So okay. Post attach command didn't party the way I thought it would. So let's try and switch where we mount workspace stat. Cool. Oh, I'm getting sleepy. I'm misspelling my git pushes. Let's see. That does the trick. I'm hoping. Interesting. It's downloading the container again instead of like reassigning it to the same node it was on last time, which is something we saw. At least we saw like more caching, but I guess it doesn't really matter because the internet connection is hella fast. So, what else? Internet. Okay. Well, I should drink more water. Doc mean goes hydrate or dihydrate. Yeah. Oof. Oh, right. Thanks. I hope you get some rest. Good luck with your appointment. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. Ports. Sounds good. Yeah, I'm 90% sure I did set that to false, but whatever. Start. Okay. Huh. Yeah. Okay. So it looks like workspace folder, workspace mount. Okay, cat dot. So it looks like these really aren't getting picked up, right? Like, why are you opening a new code space? What? Okay. I don't know why the workspace folder and workspace mount aren't getting picked up. Let's double check. Okay. So let's go ahead. We're gonna go back here. Echo. Echo. Huh. Mm, hmm. 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 Okay. Uh, so, like, that's who I am. It's my home directory, right? But it doesn't look like workspace folder or workspace mount. Yeah, it doesn't look like either of those are getting picked up. Okay, clone repository and container volume. So I don't super know. Um, Okay, maybe. Okay. CodeSpaces ignores bind mounts with the CodeSpaces or Ah, okay, not yet supported in CodeSpaces or when using clone repository and container volume. Okay, so I think really the takeaway that we've got, we can't do that, and we can't do this. So I think what we have to do is inside of demo Docker file, we're gonna have to make a new entry point. Yeah. Okay. This is just gonna be like, hey, yeah, okay. If dash z um spaces um okay. Okay. CodeSpaces, we can't yet change workdir into config, so change it in our yeah, start dash notebook.sh. Seems reasonable. Defeat CodeSpaces, launch, browser. Can I like yeah, whatever. We'll get back to it later. Okay, so that's fine. And what we'll do here is okay. Okay. Workspace folder is not supported. Not yet. Supported in CodeSpaces. Workaround with a different. Okay. Docker builds. Oh, yeah, I guess. Okay. Docker builds dot. Cool. So, yeah. That will hopefully do it. And I'm hoping the CodeSpaces VS Code folder is environment variable is set before we pull the entry point. I assume it probably is. While it's running, we can go ahead and delete it again. This is going to take a while. Probably. Hmm. Oh. Actually. Uh, okay. Yeah. So 11. Ah. Which course did no, uh, hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Ah, so good. Do. Okay, cool. Looks like it's getting there. But it'll get there. It'll get there. Oh, oh. Hmm. Mm. Okay. Yo, but yeah. Okay. This kind of stuff tends not to be super multi-threaded, which is part of why it's so slow sometimes. But that's okay. Not like I got anything else to do. Water. Like the meaning of life. Wait for my container to build. It is running. Yeah, there we go. Okay. It's using 31% of one core. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. So that's solid. Let's just install. Why did I break these condo things into two separate parts? Oh, this is updating conda. Okay. And that's the part that actually took a lot longer than I was expecting. But okay. Okay. Well, at least it's chewing through a full core. So there's that. See conda here. Oh. Oh. Hmm. Do. Hmm. Hmm. Magic computer box is so like magic computer box to be faster. Oh, right, because we have to pip install. Yeah, let's go back and take a look at the Docker file. Oh, you remember what we're doing anyways. Okay. So, yeah, okay. And then the requirements is, yeah. Okay. So if we grab the latest Ray artifact as well. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna take a hot minute. I'm tempted to just come back tomorrow because, like, yeah, it's 11:30 at night. And like we're on step 7 out of 12. From what I remember, installing Ray is kind of slow. So I think, yeah, what I'll do is I'll come back tomorrow and we'll try the new container, which will hopefully be all built. And we'll see if it works. Yeah, that's my plan. So thanks everyone for joining. I really appreciate it. Lots of fun as always. Sorry we didn't like get things all the way working. We got them like part of the way working, which, you know, that's pretty solid, right? Like at the very least we got Jupiter to launch, and it's using the right user. That's good. It's just not in the right directory. And yeah, learn a little bit about CodeSpaces. Tried using a bunch of settings which don't work just yet in CodeSpaces, which, you know, that's the thing which happens when you skim documentation, which is pretty much how I live my life. Yeah, so I'll see you all tomorrow, and